Hi everybody, this is Reilyn with Ippodaro Salon, here to talk to you about hair loss, how we unknowingly contribute to this hair loss, and how we can avoid future hair loss. But first of all, I'm going to talk to you about our hair growth cycle. We have the anagen, the catagen, and telogen phases. Anagen phase is the nourishment where we get all of our blood supplied to the hair, the oxygen, and we just want it to be ideally in that phase as long as possible. So when it enters into the catagen phase, which is when it starts to sprout, it comes out healthy, strong, vibrant, and then when it gets to the telogen phase, which is the resting phase, is when the hair falls out. Now we want to avoid it going to the telogen phase prematurely. These are some ways that you're unknowingly contributing to your own hair loss. One of the things is styling your hair wet. When your hair is wet and you get out of the shower, it's at its most vulnerable state. So shampooing your hair with hot water is going to keep the cuticle open. Giving a final cool rinse is going to help close that cuticle and not leave your hair cuticle, your hair fibers, not exposed to the elements. Another way is using a wet brush when you detangle your hair. Those wet brushes is going to help give a smooth, break-free detangling brush when you brush your hair. Another way that you're contributing to your hair loss is using your 2-in-1 shampoo conditioners. As a big hair care no-no, because when you use those, it's really toxic when the hair is in its anagen phase. And when it's in its anagen phase, we talked about that's when it gets its most nourishment. So you're basically blocking the hair and you're causing buildup on the hair, and you're not letting that hair follicle breathe. In the anagen phase, you really want to use cleansing products. Growth is going to help for growth, and it's going to help for stimulation as well. So using your 2-in-1 shampoos, please throw those out. And these are also some reasons hair loss may be happening. Thank you for tuning in today, and we're here to answer any questions that you have here at Ippodaro Salon, giving you more confidence naturally.
Ladies, do you wanna be the best looking you've ever been? We'll do your nails, give you a facial, anything you want to feel special. Gentlemen, do you wanna be the best looking you've ever been? We got the products that set us apart, all organic, right from the start. Ippodaro.